In this video, I explain how I diagnosed and resolved a P0306 cylinder 6 misfire detected error on a vehicle. The customer brought in their vehicle with the check engine light on. Using a scan tool, I confirmed the error code P0306, which indicates a misfire in cylinder 6. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data on the scan tool. During the test, I observed that both the long-term and short-term fuel trim values were erratic, suggesting a possible issue with the air-fuel mixture or an air intake problem. I began the diagnosis by visually inspecting the air intake system for any obvious faults, such as damaged hoses, loose clamps, or visible leaks. Finding no external issues, I connected a smoke machine to the engine intake manifold to check for leaks that might not be visible to the naked eye. This method involves inducing smoke into the system to identify leaks, as the smoke will escape from any compromised areas. During this test, I discovered that smoke was escaping from the intake plenum gasket, indicating that the gasket was damaged and allowing unmetered air into the system. This unmetered air disrupted the air-fuel mixture and caused the misfire in cylinder 6. To resolve the issue, I replaced the intake plenum gasket with a new one, ensuring a proper seal in the air intake system. After the repair, I cleared the error codes using the scan tool and performed another road test to verify the fix. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This video provides a detailed step-by-step guide to diagnosing and fixing a P0306 cylinder 6 misfire caused by a leaking intake plenum gasket. If you're facing a similar issue, this method can help you identify and resolve the problem effectively.